Hello and welcome to my final year project demonstration where I'll be showcasing what I've done for my final year project. The final title for this project is Composer. I'm currently demoing the production side of the project, which is hosted on Heroku, and you could actually view it online right now at composer.com, although it may take a while to load up. So initially when the user comes to the application, they're welcome to Composer, a brief introduction. You can register immediately now or install the app, which is the progressive web app. Unfortunately, this button is not working and does nothing, as mentioned in the document. Other links or endpoints that the user can navigate to it without being logged in are terms and conditions, privacy policy, cookies policy, and also the source code to it. So if we just navigate to this, you could reach through all the legal side. But I'm just going back to showcasing the project. So initially the user is able to register with all the names, and I will just showcase it that if a username is already in the database and they decide to input it again, the passwords need to match in the second field. Male, there's a minimum age requirement, so the user has to be over the age of 13 to use this service. Register. So email's already in use, so we're just going to use a different username and a different email. Let's just maybe give this so we click on register. We are redirected to the login page. We can now input the field, which was it was actually the student account, and password was password. The user can also click on the remember me checkbox for to have an extended session, but I'm not so sure if this actually works or not, as I had trouble passing in the checkbox parameters if whether or not they were filled in or not. So the user has pretty much a straight navigation. They can see the feed, which is all the posts. They can go to the upload and view all the songs that are uploaded by all the other users. They can go in the chat, which is actually isn't working, at least on the production side. If I run it off my local machine, it would work. You can see all the users. The user can follow other users. For example, I could follow my other account. It might take a while. So yeah, the whole page gives refresh, unfortunately, but I could change it to a dynamic refresh. I'll showcase that in a second. And now the user is being followed by the user. I'm not following the user. So we go to the account, let's open a new tab. I don't think that it actually opens a new tab. Okay, that's unfortunate. Should be saying they have at least one following, but maybe there's a few more logical sides to it. The button's also a bit off, it was meant to be in the middle, but could easily be fixed for the demonstration. So you can see all the posts, all the uploads by the user, all the comments. That's also a bit off. But let's just go back to the other page. You could also go to my own profile page. And I'm actually able to edit my own details. View my post, which is currently 0. Uploads, comments, which is all 0. So I haven't done anything. I could upload a new profile picture. Let's upload this image. Let's upload maybe my FS. Let's change W123. That's definitely not taken. Can't really change the password yet, but there is other libraries such as Flask Security that allows me to do that. Maybe just a simple hello, update the details, and it should go through. Actually, it doesn't go through. That's odd. Uh, maybe it did. No, it did not. So apparently the profile page is not working on production also. Well, let me just go to the post and just demonstrate the rest of the features. I could comment underneath a post. So hello, for example. Actually, it did update. I don't know why there's an internal error. It must be on Heroku's side. Might take a while to actually get it working, but you can see the new profile image, which is actually the same image. That's, yeah, there is all the refreshes. It's just a new page. Yeah, it's this image. If I maybe create a new post, say good, maybe create the post. I could also create another post with that image, maybe just saying hello and any image, you know. For example, the combined use case diagram of the use should work. Yeah, it worked. I could also like it. And yeah, this is a problem. I think it likes it twice and it's unlike it. We go back, that is actually liked it again. Yeah, it is a bit buggy, but at least it doesn't refresh the whole page. It just refreshes this whole div element. I could also alter the post, saying hello 123, update post, should work. That is odd. It's not working. What if I delete the post? Yeah, Heroku is kind of, it's a bit iffy. I was wondering maybe it would work better. Well, it did appear to actually delete the image because it's gone. I need to look into it anyways. During the next demonstration upload, you could play the file by just pressing on the image. Before an iteration, let's just create a new upload. Before this iteration, there was a copyright system in place, but unfortunately it broke. Let's just whatever. Just pick one of the music files I've done. I think that's an image here. Let's upload the audio. Hopefully this will work. And it worked. Will it play the audio? Yes, it's playing the audio right now, as you can see. Could press on the image again to pause. Unfortunately, there's no really, like, I'd say, native music player like Spotify has. I was interested in developing like a media element, so you can actually do the timeline like what Spotify has, or like YouTube, you know, the thumbnail. And if I just, for example, lower, would be something like this. It would actually show um, the name of the track and with the thumbnail behind it blurring it. That's also an API I could have integrated. I could integrate it in the future development. What else can I do? I think I showcased mostly everything. So if I just go back to the profile page, you can now see the posts that should be deleted. The file is deleted clearly as it's not loading anymore. And if I maybe go to it, well, it's access denied, but also I think it's not here anymore. From what I can see. And all the comments is being loaded up now. I could favorite it. If I maybe refresh the page, maybe it will actually update it now. Well, yeah, it would make sense because it is myself and the number of favorites is 1. Yeah, and it did get updated, so there must be some Heroku issues happening behind the scenes, which I haven't experimented. I could also just showcase the search and let's just say upload a track named Dobby. Search Dobby, I could obviously myself, can't follow myself. There's no posts for Dobby, and there's songs. There's actually 2 songs now. And it's actually going from the other way, should be maybe from the descending down, so the newest first. There's also a scroll up feature, because you scroll pretty quickly. And lastly, it's just logging out, just using this button, and you are now logged out. There's various flash messages occurring. So it is a bit of a rocky situation with the project, but I think I showcased mostly everything what a project can do. So thank you.